gonna sound like a weirdo, but every time I played SmackDown versus Raw, I was the Hurricane. I liked him every time we did GM mode, which is my favorite mode. Draft him, make him a champion at everything he could be. Tag team, cruiserweight, made him heavyweight. I don't know even know why, because I was a dork, because I am a dork, whatever. But what he's doing right there, I think I'm gonna come clean. I had a girlfriend do that to me in high school. I said, no, we're not gonna go out to eat. I gotta save money, and she carried me over to the wall and hit me in the head a few times. We went out to eat.